everyone, I'm Kit, and today I want to show you my 1560s Florentine Veste. This project was designed as an entry in the East Kingdom's Arts and Sciences Championships, but it was perfect for my elevation to laurel since it was already ready. The French-style veste was worn over the soutana in the second half of the 16th century by fashionable women. The word veste literally means gown, but modern Italian Renaissance costumers tend to refer specifically to the French-style gown when using the word veste. My favorite part of this project was the design and appearance of the trim, which was completely handmade, by moi, of course. I cut long strips of silk taffeta, then folded under the raw edges and stitched velvet ribbon on top. This created channels on the outer edges that I threaded wool roving into, creating a piping effect. Then I couched gold cord over the edges of the ribbon before stitching the trim directly to the gown. In total, I made about 15 yards of this trim. When I started this project, my intent was to sew the entire gown using period-style needles. Unfortunately, the period-style needles I was able to locate were larger in diameter than a modern needle, which caused difficulty sewing through the tightly woven silk. The force required to stitch through the fabric caused the needles to buckle like wet spaghetti. In the end, I had to switch to modern needles to finish the project. While I wasn't able to sew the entire gown with period-style needles, I'm still very happy with the way the gown turned out. Even though I gained 20 pounds during COVID-19 and don't really fit into my beautiful creation at the moment, I have the very best motivation to lose this weight before SCA events begin again. I hope you enjoyed this little peek into my A&S project. You can find more pictures and details on my website at www.kitsclothingcollection.com.